And you're going to go to your table, and the sixth graders are going to talk to you about their topic, and each fourth grader will just be standing next to a sixth grader so that you have a Chromebook to look at. And you're going to take notes on each of the slides.
These sixth graders that are around the room today, they're your teachers, okay? So when they're teaching you, you have to behave properly. And what does that look like? You have to look at them in the eyes, okay? You have to listen, and you have to pay attention.
The attitude work that we do when it comes to if this didn't happen,
All right, so fourth grade, let's get started.
You?
like there's different gases in the air, not just oxygen.
Isn't that unbelievable? There are so many. Go ahead.
I like the fact that we not only got to learn about the plants, but we got to learn about space and all that.
My name is Jared, and I liked that we got to do something new and rotations for science. My name is Gianna, and I learned that if we had no water or oxygen, we would just die. I like the effort that the sixth graders put into their work.
Hi, my name is Sophia, and I really liked doing the thing that we were doing because we got to switch centers and we got to learn new things.
Hi, my name is Caleb, and I never knew that if we lose oxygen, everything would die except plants, because plants need carbon dioxide.
I thought the collaboration process between the fourth graders and the sixth graders was really awesome today. I got to see the sixth graders in a new light being teachers. I think they really enjoyed it, and I also got to watch them see how much planning and how much flexibility that you need to be a teacher. The first couple rounds that we didn't go as smoothly. We kind of got better each round that we did. And the fourth graders got to learn a lot from the sixth graders. They were asking questions, they were telling us when they didn't understand, and it was just neat to see the kids taking on a different role. I got to see some students who I didn't expect to become leaders. They took initiative to explain things. They got on Google, and I watched them bring up pictures and further explain concepts that weren't understood. So overall, I think teachers, I learned a lot from Mr. Marakovitz. I learned a lot from watching him present to the class, and it was really enjoyable to watch both sets of students share their information.
I like the slides, and the colors were real fun. The slides, and also the sixth graders is so nice.
The fourth and sixth grade lesson was based on the sixth grade students being able to explain to the fourth grade students what they learned. So they had to show mastery of their content. The fourth grade students were kind of introduced to the new topics as part of their standards. So basically it was a collaborative effort between the two grade levels. It was very student-centered, and we used a lot of technology as well. Everything was based on the Danielson model of evaluation, and also on incorporating the next generation science standards, the content from that, and also the speaking and listening portions of the Common Core standards as well.
The key of success to this lesson, I think, is engagement and collaboration. Teachers got to collaborate together to plan, take parts, and learning is social. So we got to be social. The sixth graders and the fourth graders got to collaborate. And the engagement piece was huge because kids who normally don't seem so interested, their interest was sparked, and they had a feeling of importance. And it surprised me, and it was wonderful at the same time to be able to see kids take role model positions where they have not been role models in the past, a sixth grader to a fourth grader. And the fourth graders now want to pay it forward, and they want to work with second and third graders and follow up the lesson. So, and lastly, this was just a chance for differentiation. We had a Spanish-speaking student. We differentiated her piece, part in Spanish, part in English. Students of all different inclusion students, gifted kids. It was a blend, and everyone had a piece. And it was just a great lesson.